How to add searchable keywords to your TikTok caption. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Then search for what you are going to post. In my case, I'm just going to post book recommendation. Then at the top, click on hashtags and click on the top post. You'll find different posts in here. Simply go through the hashtag of the video. Make sure you go through the hashtag of different videos. After that, go to the caption adding page. In here, you can type in hashtag. After you have added hashtag, add all the hashtag you saw earlier. After you do that, click on post at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to add searchable keywords to your TikTok caption. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.